Hi, my name is Lindy Remiene. I'm from Spofaneni community. I'm from 1 Mile. I'm 24 years old. The reason why I joined Spofaneni is because I want to show the world that Spofaneni has got young, ambitious, strong women. And so I want to present Spofaneni with the pride. I'm very happy from where I came from. So imvelo ngiyibonile le inkinga kakhulu esiphofaneni ngokuthi most girls nasiphofaneni they don't take education seriously and some of them they end up banathene utshwala. So one thing that I'm going to change about that ukuthi-ke I'm going to empower my young girls ukuthi-ke ibafake kakhulu emandla esikolweni because education is the only key to success in nowadays. And so one thing ngaba empower just because mina nami ngifunzile, I've went to school many times so ngizama ukupursue my studies, but at the end of the day I end up passing. And so ngikolamuhla I'm at the University of Swaziland studying i-GIS, and which is something le proud ngayo. So ngitaba empowerisha ngibatshele ukuthi isikole simcoka kakhulu more than anything. And so I'm very happy ukuthi ngingenele this pageant because I want to show people ukuthi-ke even if noma bethi uchama a Twitch background, but you can still do anything. Thank you.